Okay, so your boy's got a couple upgrades coming pretty soon. We are getting new back tires because I don't know if you can tell, they are running a little bald. It's not terrible, but something that a lot of burnouts did to me. So yeah, that's new, and got something else coming too. You'll see.
Now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
So the new tires are on. We went with the Nitto Nt555r's 2. So the R2s. As you can see, it's the second generation of this tire. So the version 2 of this tire. I love the first version. Is what I had on the car since about September 2018. So it did not last a full 2 years, but kind of the way I drive, and I started doing longer burnouts, so that played a lot into it. But this was a great tire. It's a really good tire on the street. I have no problems on the street. I'm like 470 horsepower, but I have no problems on the street. And yeah, it's a 305 3520. I think for the second generation, it seems like there's a different tread pattern on the side, and I think they did something to the middle track right there too. I'm not too sure. I can't really remember, but looks good. It's one of those tires. I love the look of the tire from pretty much every angle. I think it looks good from this angle. It looks good if you're just looking at kind of the quarter of the car, and then it looks good just straight on. Yeah, it's a good looking tire, but we have more to do, like I said. And yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update. We are back, checking in live. MJ, he said no. Okay, so now everything is done. We got brakes, we got new tires, we got MJ, and yeah. So as I was saying, we went with the Nitto Nt555r2s in 305 35 20. The second generation of this tire, so excited to see how they perform. And then we also upgraded the brakes. So for the brakes, we went with the Powerstop Z26 Warrior Street Performance Brake Kit. Came with new pads, even though I had just changed out all my pads like months ago. But this one came with new pads, and then obviously the new rotor, which is drilled and slotted. There's one thing that not a lot of people tell you, and most people know, but a lot of people don't know. When you change your tire size, which I did, I went from 275 to 305s, puts a lot more stress on your brakes. So pretty much as soon as I changed the tire size, got a tune, my brakes started to fade a lot more, and stopping power wasn't the best. Also, there was just certain things you could feel while doing that the brakes were going out. And when I changed the brake pads, I originally told them that I wanted the rotors turned, and they said like my front brakes were so worn out that they couldn't even turn them. So we just went with a whole upgrade. It's not that expensive to do, so since it's not really an expensive thing to do, I really just wanted to hurry up and get it done at the same time my new tire. So it's like a whole new type of setup, and we'll see how this kind of setup performs with the brakes and the tires. Hopefully I can start using launch control again, because before my old brakes were so worn out that launch control couldn't hold. So when I slammed on the brake, and as soon as I stepped on the gas, my car would just start creeping forward. Like it couldn't hold the car in place. It would just inch forward until I let go of the brake and then I'll take off. But obviously racing at the track on the street, you can't just start rolling forward. Like it's not a bump box. This was like a full on, I'm just rolling until I let go of the brake. So hopefully my launch control is back. And yeah, I'm excited. Hold on, let me get a thumbnail. Hopefully this setup will be good. Not a lot of brake installs for the Camaros on YouTube. I was trying to figure out like what's the best brake package to buy. So for my 2016, I went with the Powerstop drilled and slotted. I really like how they look. They should perform pretty well. Yeah, on the cheaper side of everything. Tires, 300 each, 330 each. And yeah. Stay tuned for more videos. I will get some more racing videos so we can see how these tires do on the track and the street. And yeah, let me know if there's something y'all want to see or have any questions about anything that I'm doing or have done.